Now I calculate total depreciated asset value of the company for the first 10 years. This value is calculated by subtracting the cumulative depreciation value of the first year to the initial cost of the asset. Active cell reference C11, enter equal sign, click cell reference D3, enter subtraction operator, click cell reference C10, press enter key. So after the first year, the value of the company asset is depreciated to $460,000, or after the first year, the cost of the company asset will be $460,000, as well as the initial cost of the company asset is $500,000. To calculate total depreciated asset value of other years, paste the same formula in other cell. Active this cell. First, make the absolute position of the value of the initial cost of the asset. Click in formula bar. Press F4 key. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. You can see in row 11, the asset values of the company are decreasing by a constant amount of each year. These asset values are the actually depreciated asset values of the company. After the 5 years, the value of the company asset will be $300,000. After the 8 years, the value of the company asset will be $180,000. And at the end of 10 years, the value of the company asset will be $100,000. This value reaches equal to the salvage value at the end of its useful life. So straight line function calculates depreciation asset value of the company by a constant amount. The difference between these two cells is $40,000, and the difference between these two cells is $40,000.